Hey guys, you're watching Big Drone Flyer 77, and when we come back, I got the FLYTEC. This is the R58, also known as the H825. When we come back. Hey, welcome back guys. Thank you for joining me today on this edition of Big Drone Flyer 77. Donnie here, and today I got something pretty cool. This was sent to me from RC Moment. This is the R58. It's a little FPV racer. It's brushed and it's got 5.8 gigahertz camera on it, guys. So pretty nice with the goggles. The camera's super clear, guys. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go for a line of sight flight first, and then I'll show you some clips that's recorded on my DVR on my goggles. And then for those who want to see how this came boxed and what came inside, stick around to the end of the video and watch the unboxing, guys. Alright, thanks so much and enjoy the flight. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and turn this on, set it down. I'm going to link them together, turn on the controller. It's telling me that it's not connected, so go up, down. It's connected. I'm going to go in third rate. Alright guys, here we go. I'm going to line of sight it here. Nothing spectacular, one key return, I won't use it. And like a headless mode, I'm not going to use either. So it's just a quick responsive little drone. See the movements right here? I mean, it's just right on the money. Sometimes a little too much. So let me make sure my goggles are recording here. Yep, my goggles are recording here, and let's go. You can see the yaw rate in third. There's second. There's first. There's third. It's not much of a difference. So far the range ain't too bad when you're in an open field. As long as you got nothing blocking it, guys. Anything blocking your signal, then you'll be okay. It stops pretty good, guys. Stops on a dime. That's not bad at all. I don't see no flip button, so no flips, guys. I don't see any flips, at least. I didn't read about any flips, but I don't use them anyways. Not for something like this. This is just for having fun, practicing how to FPV fly. See how those box goggles look right now. Let's see what it looks like here. Oh, not too bad, huh? What about full pitch? I guess I could have tilted it up a little more. Let me bring it back. Let me pitch the camera a little bit more. Alright. Pitch up the camera a little bit more, guys. Oh, that's what I was going to show you. That's what this is for. I think, well, not this one. I think it's, you hold the speed rate, I think. Or is it this one? No, that's the buzzer. Okay, that's to do the buzzer when you press the toggle, so you can find it in case you lose it. And one of these are for the lights. No, that's headless mode. One of these are for the lights here somewhere. No. Oh well, anyways, let me pitch this forward. Let me get going real quick here before the battery goes dead. This thing doesn't have a very long life. I think it's like 5 or 6 minutes. Yeah, it's already LBCing right now. I see the red lights flashing already, guys. It's only about a 5-minute flyer. Lights are flashing. It's going to come down in a second here, so I'm going to go ahead and bring it down so I don't lose it over here. Alright guys, hey, the R58, also known as the H825, is a really awesome drone, guys. It's got a really clear screen coming out of the DVR. From the, well, actually not the recording, but from the what you see in the goggles. See that image in there, guys, but the image is pretty good out of the goggles. Image looks way better in the goggles than it does when it's out on DVR, so just letting you guys know that. So you're definitely going to have a nice clear screen when you're flying. So it's really clear image. What it puts out on the DVR is a little different. The quality is taken away quite a bit, and you get some lines in that. But other than that, this thing's a really good flyer, guys. I wish it lasted a little more than 5 minutes, but it is fun, and I do appreciate it, RC Moment, for sending this out to me. I'm going to have more fun with this, and definitely going to do some more flights, guys. So, alright guys, hey, thanks for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed the flight. Here's the unboxing. I sure appreciate you guys sticking around for this. Let's go ahead and get this thing open. I like to go to the flight first. That way you guys can, a lot of guys just skip straight to the flight, but for those who want to see what comes inside, in the flight I didn't set this up because it's a little windy. You got a little cardboard gate and a couple other little cardboard deals there. Landing pad, as you can see on the box, it's a landing pad. And what else have we got? A flag. But it's a little too windy out here. The grass is really wet, and I don't want to wreck that. I'll use that another time. But so far, here's the little racer. You can adjust the camera pretty good. You can see the angle there. So when you're at a pretty mean tilt there, you're going to go and look like it's level. Then you can adjust the camera. It doesn't really go straight down. It kind of goes more of a level pitch there with the camera. But it's not too bad. The battery here is a 3.7 volt. 580 milliamp, guys. So I guess that's okay. It's only a 5-minute flyer. It is just the USB micro charger for this one, guys. So that's what it takes for that one there. And the controller, for those who own a Hubsan H502E or S, this looks identical to the controller, guys. It's identical. I can't believe that, except for it don't have a little screen right here. That's pretty crazy, but it does feel good. It's a manual flyer, guys. I love manual flyers. I get a kick out of them. I like being able to control the speed, the height, all on just a touch right there instead of it being stuck in altitude hold. But you got your functions here. You got your flip buttons in your what else was there? Speed rate. And that's basically about it. You got your on and off switch here. It takes 4, I believe it. Oh, I got the screw in there, but I believe it's 4 AAA batteries in this one. So here's a USB charger. I recommend using theirs. I never like to use the ones for my phone, just in case, guys. So that way, if something ever happens, you can return it. If something happened to the battery, you didn't use some other kind of charger. But I think here would be fine if you use something else. But at least they supply one. You got 4 extra white props and a screwdriver. And that's basically it, guys. A little tiny manual here. Nothing big, just a little paper manual. And it tells you all the functions. And they might have gave you an option later on maybe to get a pair of FPV goggles, but this one does not come with them. So, but it's well detailed. It tells you what all the functions are. You got your speed rate. So far it says speed rates on this side. You got speed rate, and then you got, what else is there? I don't see anything for the other side, so it might be a dead switch. What else do you have? Headless mode and 1 key return. That's headless mode on this part, and the bottom one is 1 key return, guys. So, but other than that, I believe that is it. So, all right, guys, I sure appreciate you guys sticking around. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. And then check out RC Moment. I'll leave the link for all this stuff in my description. And I'll leave a link to just their website as well, guys. So enjoy looking around. Don't forget to click around on that and see what sales they have going on there as well. All right, guys, like always, God bless. Cheers and happy flying.